How to use stone to hide a sprinkler system. A sprinkler system takes the hassle out of watering lawns and gardens. The system's sprinkler heads can be eyesores, however, and you may choose to cover them with natural-looking stones when the sprinkler heads are not in use. If you have a sprinkler system that you never use or that no longer works, then using stones to hide its sprinkler heads is an alternative to digging up the entire system. Sprinkler heads can be hidden by stones in a few ways. Things you will need: artificial rock covers optional. Rocks, each 2 to 5 feet wide and tall optional. Landscape rocks optional. Large and small rocks optional. Place an artificial rock cover over each sprinkler head. Often artificial rock covers are made of plastic and feature an exterior that is molded to look like real stone, but each artificial rock cover has a hollow interior. Remove the artificial rock covers before turning on your sprinkler system. Block each sprinkler head of a broken sprinkler system with one landscape rock that is 2 to 5 feet wide and tall. Position each rock in front of its sprinkler head so that it blocks the head from the main point of view to that area. Test a rock's placement to hide a sprinkler head by walking down the sidewalk, up the driveway or by the road where the sprinkler head was once visible. Reposition the rock if necessary so it hides its sprinkler head. Install a rock garden over a garden's sprinkler system that is broken. Lay down an even layer of landscape rocks to cover the area, and use a mixture of large and small rocks to complete the appearance you desire for the rock garden. Tips: warnings. When blocking a broken sprinkler system with large rocks, it may be necessary to use more than one rock to hide each sprinkler head at every angle. Although some rock gardens include plants, you can design a rock garden around your sprinkler heads and not include plants. A rock garden works best in a garden bed or unused flower bed, not on a lawn. When installing a rock garden, ensure that the layer of rocks is deep enough to cover sprinkler heads completely. Do not place a heavy rock directly on top of a sprinkler head. Even if the system is broken, the rock's weight can lead to further damage that can't be repaired.